Hello! How's everybody doing? You good? Oh, I'm so happy to be here. You know, I came to Bangkok for the first time in 2003. And I fell in love with it. I thought it was such a magical place. I'm so proud to be back for the very first 30 seconds of my show. It's a beautiful country with an amazing history, great people, and full of love and kindness, and maybe some of the best food in the entire world. And, you know, I want to pay my respects to the great king of Thailand as well. No matter how many times that you told me you wanted to leave, no matter how many breaths that you took, you still couldn't breathe. No matter how many nights that you lied to the sound of the pouring rain. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? As days go by, the land's on fire. Tell me what you give to save our life. Tell me what you give. Prove you're right. Crash, crash, burn, let it all run. This hurricane chasing us all underground. No matter how many days that I die, I'll never forget. No matter how many lives I live, having the fire inside of the solid riot, about to explode into flames. Where's your God? Where's your God? Where's your God? Touch up for my sins. Do you want? Do you really want me? All alone to live a life. Tell me what you give to save my life. Tell me what you give. Yeah. How's everybody feeling? You okay out there? Can you turn it right up front so I can see everybody? Yeah, I just want to see all these crazy people. Turn that right up first.